Have you ever felt like your voice or purpose just doesn't matter? Here's your reminder that you were made to shine. Listen, when I'm feeling down because I don't visibly see the results of the work that I'm doing here at Purpose Minded Woman, God always sends me the simplest reminder. Whether it's a woman in my DMs, a current client with a win, or a past client letting me know how I impacted her life, God is always right there saying, snap out of it, girl. It's happening whether you see it or not. Listen, Matthew 5:14 verse 15 says, you are the light of the world, a city that is set on a hill that cannot be hidden, nor do they light a lamp to put it under a basket, but on a lampstand, and it gives light to all who are in the house. I know it can be hard sometimes in this social media environment where we can sometimes measure our values and our success by the views, the likes, the shares, and the comment, but God values how we show up and represent Him. Jesus calls you to be the light of the world. Light isn't meant to be hidden, y'all. It's meant to shine. God placed you where you are here on purpose to reflect His goodness and His truth to those around you. Don't dim your light out of fear, doubt, or comparison. Whether it's through your words, your kindness, or the way you live, shine boldly, sis. Someone around you needs the light that you carry. This has been another 1 Minute on Purpose.